Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you a method through which you guys can see who has blocked you on Instagram. So if you do not know, in the past you could just go on your message section of Instagram and click on the person's profile and it would automatically show you can't message because you are blocked. But in the new update of Instagram, if you're blocked, one, you're not going to get any notification. The other, you're not going to get anything on your messaging section. You can still message the person who has blocked you. As you guys can see, I'm blocked by Witchy Kevin and I can still send him message. The only thing is I can send him message, but Witchy Kevin on the other side not going to get any notification or not going to get any message, alright? So from my side, it looks like I'm sending him, but from his side, he's not going to receive anything. So the old method does not work. But how you guys can still know who has blocked you on Instagram is just go into their profile, alright? Now, before moving forward, if you guys are liking this video, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide, alright? Let's move on. So Witchy Kevin has blocked me, so I'm just going to click on his name at the top. Okay, now once you're over here, click on profile. And as you guys can see, it says no post. And that's just not the thing. If you try to follow them, it's not going to let you. As you guys can see, I click on follow and it just does not let me follow this guy. That's how you know you guys are blocked. You can't see their post. Even he has posted 12 posts. You can't see his post. You try to follow him, it just does not work, alright? So you might think it's your bad internet connection, but no, I can clearly see every single post over here on my Instagram, as you guys can see, which means I'm blocked. The other way is just go on the search icon at the bottom of your screen and at the top search for the person's name to see if they have blocked you or not. So I can see his name and I click on his profile and it says user not found, as you guys can see. But this account does exist, but it says user not found. That's another way to know you are blocked. These two are the method you guys can do to see who has blocked you or not. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.